All right, wifey and I are outside. We are going to fill our spray can here with muriatic acid to try and clean up the side of the house there, the brick. This stuff is extremely potent. It stinks so bad. And unfortunately, I don't have a respirator, so I'm going to keep my distance when I spray it. And then we're going to wash it with the steel brush. This is what we really want to focus on. You see all this discoloration? This is all from the condenser drain back up top there. And so we want to spray that, get focused on it, and then brush it down. And then when we're done, we're going to use our power washer to clean it up. For all the ladies watching, power washers make one of the best Christmas / birthday / Father's Day gifts for your husband. Okay, every man wants a power washer. All right, so we're spraying the muriatic acid on all the spots here. Probably not a good idea to spray our window, but we're going to replace this window anyway. We just don't know when. So you can see it's bubbling up, tearing off all the crap already. But what we're going to do is keep this on here. I'm going to stay far away from this stuff. It is potent. And it makes it really hard to breathe when you're near it. So we'll get this stuff sprayed. We're going to let it sit for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to come in and with the steel brush, we're going to wash it off and hit it with the power washer after we wash it. Okay. All right, I'm going to go spray up top now. Actually, no, I'm not going to spray up top. The steel brush, that's already been hit by the muriatic acid. You see, I mean, it's just peeling it right off. And that's the beauty of this stuff. The only downside is that it's extraordinarily potent. And you really don't want to be near it, so I'm trying to keep my distance. Because I don't have a respirator on me. You just want to make sure you stay away from it. This stuff will clean just about anything. All right, so I mean, muriatic acid is really meant for etching concrete and cleaning stone. And you can see, I mean, it just eats this stuff up, takes it right off. And that's really what we're trying to do here. Get rid of all this crap. Make our brick look nice again. And it just eats right through all the gunk. All right, I'm gonna spray that first. Muriatic acid on here. Notice how I just ripped this stuff right off. Just completely cleaned it up. So we want to get some of these darker spots. Some spots that we know have been hit multiple times. You'll see it starting to fizz. That means it's doing its job. Etching. Alright, we'll let that sit for a minute or two, and then we'll come back and brush it. The second coat, you can see it just ate this stuff right up. So no more yellow discoloration, still a little bit of spots here. We'll hit that one more time, but I'm gonna go hit that up there first. So this spot up here is pretty bad. So we're gonna hit this a couple of times. Very much discolored up here, lots of yellow and orange stains. I'm trying to keep my distance on the ladder while spraying this stuff. mean, you can see it's eating at it right away. You hear it fizzling up here. I don't know if you can hear it down there. That's what we want. I'm gonna hit this pretty hard. And then just let it sit. Okay. Oof. All right, so we sprayed it with the muriatic acid, let it sit for a little bit. Got etched up pretty nice. It looks pretty good. All right, and down here, so we'll give it one more spray with the power washer, and then we'll call